Baby, I'm wet. She be your prick, don't understand? All these guys, you know, they ever imagine what they talk if they did in the mood. M.O.P, have fun. Oh boy, where you did now? Oh boy, get the way my nyash, they do me for weird.
You see the way Lagos good. For worry, they know they throw money like this for you. As they perform for it, somebody go just call shook 1,000 for your pocket, waka go. Another person go call shook 200, collect the 1,000, go.
M.O.P, sleep of talk.
Yeah, if you love M.O.P, please a round of applause for him. It's my first time to perform here in this hall in Lagos. And I'm really proud. I'm seeing men come out with their wives. Beautiful. Sir, bros, that's your wife? Your wife? Wow. Sir, boss, bros, touch her. Your wife. Wow. Lagos men are the most faithful men in the world. Lagos men can never cheat on their wife. All the men that don't cheat here, oh yeah. But the truth is, women make the world go round. Without the women, the world would be boring. Do you understand? As I be man now, as I come stage, many men don't like me. But if my girl come here now, people go to shout, especially if the girl don't get nyash. I have realized that men don't like themselves, but women love themselves so much. Are you aware that two girls figure out stay house for years, they don't go ever fight? Yes. Two girls go, am I lying? Two girls go get stay house, they don't go quarrel. Am I lying? Girls, they sleep, they cuddle themselves. Ladies, am I lying? I want to prove it to you now. Say all of you there now, don't like on herself. I want to show you say women love themselves past men now. All the women look at your fellow woman and tell her, baby, I love you. See how easy it is? Look at her again and say, baby, I really, really love you. When I say it's easy, for the last time, look at her and say, baby, mwah. When I say it's easy, Abby, now watch. All the men, look at your fellow man and tell him, baby, mwah. Like I say, if I help you, I'll go kill you. The truth is, I'm not against those. I don't want to say some things here because this is Lagos. I should say it. If you're a man here, what do you see for man body? Am I correct? What do man they see for a fellow man body? Look at this beautiful, my sister. Stand up to the glory of God, my sister. You stand up to the glory of God. Look at, why will I leave this kind of girl? You get breast. Okay, you're not getting here. Sit down. Why will I leave this kind of girl? I can't go sit at this chamber with this head. When a woman is in the mood for, do you understand? Like when a woman wants to, do you understand? Like when a woman wants to, do you understand? Like when a woman wants to be deep in koinonia with her boyfriend, do you understand? Okay, woman won't fuck. Wait till they hear it is sweet. You get something like you hear, hello, babe. Just imagine. Baby, where are you? Baby, I miss you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I'm wet. She be your prick, don't understand? All these guys, you know, they ever imagine what they talk if they did in the mood. Man won't call a fellow man. You hear something like this. Hello. M.O.P, have fun. Oh boy, where you did now? Oh boy, get the way my nyash, they do me for weird. Rubbish! And now, Lagos girls, let me say this and I leave because my time is up. Lagos girls, stop misinterpreting these faithful Lagos men. Lagos men just want to be your friend and nothing more. Men, let's say your mind. The problem we're having is that anything we do for the women, when they misinterpret it, when they think it's because of sex, and it's bad. Men, if you collect a woman's number, are you collecting it because of sex? You collect the girl number, you call her, baby, where are you? Let's go out for lunch. Are you taking her Oh, they don't dark. We say, baby, you can't go. Lagos is not safe. Let's help you, Lord. Oh. You think we're not in hotel because of sex? Then we lodge hotel. Not be say we not get money to lodge for ourselves, oh, but we want to be sure that you are. We follow you, stay your. You think we are staying your hotel because of sex? Good night, Lagos.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
It's the only country where the president came into power with power bank. The country tough for Lagos now they enjoy now. Can't worry now. Every year those scatter because of hardship for worry. Now worry somebody come up for a house, go in neighbor place, go thief charger. Before he come back, they don't thief his phone. Worry tough for country hard. Last week for one native doctor just failed because of hardship, turning she ran to provision store. Now the Jojo be sales boy now. This country not balanced now. The young she call they can't talk of wife. Yeah, people which day they marry. Yeah. Come worry now. Now worry one woman build as the husband don't know. And now the man do the plumbing work for the house. Talk of wife. You don't see my wife. My wife, very iron lady. My daughter are just 6 months old. My wife just they pressure me. Say this pikin go enter school, put her for school. I said 6 months. She said this pikin go enter school. If no problem, go to the house. So September last year, now put my daughter for school. January this year, my daughter called the resume school. I called it tell my wife, like this now, my daughter is going to KG1. Oh. My wife said, which kind of KG1? I never ever think of pre-KG. I dey think of KG1. I said, sure. Where my daughter dey since? Say my daughter dey for play group. I said, eh? I dey pay school fees for play. What they call shock me now when my wife come back, say they increase the school fees. I say, why? They had new play for the school. I say, any play where they had for the school. If you want clap. I say, any play where they had for the school, make they remove them. If my daughter come back for school, me and I will go play the play. Oh, I said, no, because you are a commander. I just use everything. They do joke. I said, this will not be joke. They think they won't bring quarrel. I said, I go report, give my wife elder brother. I reach my wife elder brother place. I meet my wife elder brother, they cry. I said, bros, what did they happen? He said, can you imagine? Pikin where they pay 250,000 for play class group. They said the pikin fail. Say, make the pikin repeat. I can say why? Why they say many pikin repeat? Say they say the pikin not play like the one that should play last time. Now I say, bros, it's like your son will come and join my daughter. Because as I'm talking to you now, my daughter is a school dropout. For this country, where problem day? Ladies and gentlemen, as a young boy, do you know it is better to date a sugar mommy than to date a widow? Seriously, one widow why they date for Oria, go a place, go spend night. Before I wake up for money, pikin wear my shoe come out. This year, and I greet you. I called the ask him, Mama, I said, why your pikin they behave like? He said, no, take it easy. It's like a stepson to you. When the pikin come, I'm not sure for the pikin because the pikin senior me. Wait till you pay me and the pikin birthday. I buy this watch for the boy got a shot for me. Why I go buy a fake watch and not if you buy a real watch? But man, I call say, boy, you are not my real son. I call they tell the woman, I say, no, madam, this relationship will not work again. Now the woman called me down, they beg me, say, Douglas, please, don't hurt my feelings. I'm like a mother to you. This country not balance. So, ladies and gentlemen, my time is up. I always tell men, you see, recently I did a research. I discovered say the rate when married men till they die leave their wife now like 95%. One man go get cardiac arrest, die. They say get BP, die. I go to do research. What did they cause them? When I say what did they cause them, I shock. Very small thing. That name, I am the head of the house. I say, eh? School fees go head of the house, take care of school fees. Accident, head of the house. All the bills, head of the house. Now call my wife. I say, baby, for this house, we don't have head. You are the head, I am the head. Now, like this, now, me and my wife, we run our house like democracy. Every 2 years. Like this, now, my wife be the head. Now, they pay us rent, they pay school fees, they buy food stuff. While me, they go market, they bath the children, they carry them, they go school. Who throw this to come? You see the way Lagos good. For worry, they know they throw money like this for you. As they perform for it, somebody go just call shook 1,000 for your pocket, waka go. Another person go call shook 200, collect the 1,000, go.
Sure. All right.
Wait first. Not me now, they don't spray me. Say, all right, which kind of name of progress in Lagos? For worry, they tell me, all right. Okay, thank you. I like the way they try. Now, worry, they spray me 1,020 pieces. 1,020. I count the money. The guy will give me the money, give me 7. How come they say no, bro? The money part, I say no. Say now 5, they spray you. I they had my 2 join them more. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
All right. M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.